You want to know what truly hurts a woman? It isn't shouting at her, blocking her, or begging her to understand you. It's something entirely different, something most men never have the strength to do, because it demands silence, self-control, and inner strength. And once she realizes you've done it, she'll never forget it. This isn't about playing mind games. It's about what happens when a man finally wakes up and stops handing his peace to someone who never truly respected it. The man who reaches this point isn't the one who announces he's leaving. He doesn't make threats or try to fill her with guilt. He simply reaches a conclusion she never expected. A conclusion born not from anger or resentment, but from a quiet, unwavering realization that his value never depended on whether she could recognize it. And once that realization settles deep within him, everything changes. It changes the way he walks, the way he speaks, the way he looks at himself in the mirror. It transforms the energy he carries, and somehow she feels that change before she can even understand what's different. That is the power of a man who no longer feels the need to explain himself. That is where the transformation begins. At first, she doesn't even notice the difference. She assumes you're still there, still waiting, still hoping, because that's who you've always been. You were always the man who cared more, the one who stayed awake late trying to fix problems she wouldn't even admit existed, the one who over-explained just to break the silence between you, the one who kept forgiving her cold words, her changing moods, and the times she disappeared without explanation. You gave her your heart, believing your effort would eventually make her see your value. But she didn't. Instead, she saw a man who would never leave, a man who kept giving regardless of how little he received in return. Deep down, she mistook your love for weakness, so she became comfortable, far too comfortable. She believed she always had more time to decide, time to push you away and pull you back whenever it suited her, time to treat you like an option because you always returned. She grew accustomed to the rhythm of your devotion, the predictability of your patience, and the certainty that no matter how distant she became, you'd still be there when she looked back. That certainty became her comfort, and comfort slowly turned into entitlement. She started believing your love was simply guaranteed, something she no longer needed to earn or protect, something that would survive every moment of neglect she threw at it. But then, something changed. Not loudly, not dramatically, quietly. You didn't slam the door. You didn't send a long emotional message. You didn't post cryptic quotes or play games. You simply stopped. You stopped chasing her moods. You stopped trying to decode her mixed signals. You stopped answering her silence with long paragraphs. You didn't yell. You didn't cry. You didn't explain. You simply became quiet. And that calm, peaceful silence feels different because it doesn't sound like anger. It doesn't sound like bitterness. It sounds like freedom. For the very first time, she feels something she never expected from you. Distance. But not the kind where you're secretly hoping she'll come back. Not the kind where you're pretending to move on while still checking your phone every few minutes. This distance is different. It's the kind that quietly says, I'm no longer waiting. I'm no longer trying to prove I'm enough for someone who couldn't see my worth. I'm choosing myself now. And that realization doesn't simply sting. It shakes her, because once a man who genuinely loved her stops trying, there is no script left she can use to control him. No guilt, no silence, no emotional games. You finally let go. And nothing hurts her more than realizing that the man she always believed she could return to doesn't live there anymore.